Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Residents of Agip Housing Estate at Rumeme Kingdom in Obiakpa local government area of Rivers State have given a thumbs up for the Niger Delta Development Commission NDDC, which recently installed street lights to lighten up the estate. Correspondent Biola Festus, who visited the estate recently, reports that the newly installed street lights is being greeted with jubilation by residents.
In line with their policy on housing, the federal government and the government of Old River State jointly developed Agip Estate to provide decent and affordable accommodation for the middle class in the 1980s. At the time, the estate, which is located in Rumeme Kingdom in Obiakpo local government area of Rivers State, could boast of amenities provided to offer its residents some level of comfort. Over time, available facilities began showing signs of wear and tear due to administrative neglect. Recently, the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) came to the rescue of residents with the provision of street lights to light up the estate. Residents of Agip Estate are particularly excited that the provision of street lights has kept criminals operating under the cover of darkness at bay.
Because of the light now, if you come, looks like London. Everywhere is beautiful and shining.
NDDC have tried so much. When I saw the lights, I was so happy because the light have been saving us from in terms of security. And in the nights like the people, everybody is saying and we are happy.
With the provision of street lights at Agip Estates, courtesy of the NDDC, petty traders are now in brisk business.
Business is going well. Why the street light is helping the business?
Since they give us this light, we are not staying here by 10 o'clock, nothing. Everybody is passing freely. Other
residents are grateful to the NDDC for embarking on the street light project that has enhanced the aesthetic appeal of Agip Estate.
UK, Europe, all developed area, this is how life is supposed to be. And you can see that things has improved. People are happy. Before, when there's no light, you can't see any soul. By 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, everybody's gone. Through the intervention of the NDDC, several communities across 9 states of the Niger Delta have benefited from solar energy powered streetlights that usually accompany road construction projects awarded by the Commission over the years. For the NDDC, this intervention is in fulfillment of its statutory mandate to address crumbling infrastructure, which is largely responsible for the underdevelopment of Nigeria's Niger Delta region.
Inside the Niger Delta,